Back at it again, man. Back at it again. You see that? I'm gonna see if this rain next gonna fix that. You see that? Let's see. Let's go over here. You see that? Oh, that's a good one to start at. Look at that one, bad. So, what we gonna do? I'm gonna pull out this old Rain-X kit. I'm gonna see if it clean that up, huh? Let's see. Let me get my kit. Pass me my kit over there. Huh? You can't miss it. Yellow, Rain-X. Go right there. Huh? Rain-X headlight restoration kit. You see, you got yellow. You got yellow right there untreated and treated. So what we about to do is we about to bust this bad boy open. We about to see what it do. See what we got off in here. Oh, I'm losing. I ain't read the directions. All right. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps, but they say step 4. But it's 3 steps in one, huh? Oh, brushing pads. Let's see if I can get this devil to clear up. Number 3. So let's order. All right. So let me get everything together. You got your sealant, huh? Got your lubricant for when you're scrubbing. Huh? And headlight restore. Let me get all that together. And it come with a little towel to wipe it down with. So let me get all my towels and stuff together and get everything together. Let me see how it do. All right. Here we go on each step now. What it say? Hey, make sure you read directions. If you don't read directions, that's how you lose. Then you'll be like me. I pull 2 together, put a toy together. Then once I look up, something ain't right. So you got directions. 1, that's first page, right? 2, second page. 3, third page. Get your directions right. It say, use pad 1 first. Okay, I'm gonna use pad 1 first. It say, you squirt the lubricant on the light. All right, then you got pad 1. Now that's 1, ain't it? All right, squirt a little lubricant on that. So you won't scratch everything up. Let's see if this make a difference. Oh man, I see a haze. It's doing something, ain't it? What you think? It's doing something. It got the directions. So you got directions on how you supposed to do it. You see it? You go in that angle. So I went in that angle. Now if it's going this angle. You got directions. Listen to the directions. Do the directions right. Huh? All right. All right. You hear that? You're scratching something up off there. I don't know if I should be happy or not. All right, so we're gonna wipe this off. Gonna wipe that off. Yeah. I don't know if that look better or not. Still see that yellow. All right, we're gonna go step 2. Step 2. All right, let's see. All right, smooth. So lubricant, like it say. All right. Got the number 2 pad, lubricant, like it say. And it say go sideways. Oh. No. Fun. All right. Let's see. I see something on it. See something on it, and I hear something. Hopefully it's polishing right. All right. Let's step 2. Here with the white. All right. I don't know. I don't know. About the same to me. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. It look about the same to me. I will go step 3. We're gonna do what they say. Give it all 3. Okay. Spray the lubrication. I need that lube. All right. These might just be too far gone. Step 3. These might be too far gone. I heard it. You heard it?
Yeah, I heard that.
Oh, maybe I might need to do it twice. Let's see. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see this. I still see a line off in there. I don't know. It might not be finished yet. I mean, the bottom look clear. Let's see. Let's see. We can get it. All right. Understand me? Apply a generous amount of headlight restore on the microfiber cloth. Generous. Okay. So generous. So I got my microfiber. Let me flip it on this side. It's that good thick microfiber, huh? Look at her. Generous. So we're gonna do it generous. Oh, that might be too much. I can use damn near half bottle, huh? I might need to wash the car after this. I need to wash the car after this, man. What's that? Okay. So keep going. Let's see, it might be better for me just to do it like flip, whant. Or not get such a big towel. Man, like it's clearing up. I put a little elbow grease in there, huh? Let's see. I'm gonna have to wash the car today. It's clear up there at the top, but it still got this line in it. Hold on, let me see. You got that one. Let's go to this one. I mean, it's better than what I started with. Huh? Better than what I started with. Here, hold it. Let me keep going. Still got that fog light in it. Still got that little fog in it right here. Here, matter of fact, how about this? Let me go through the steps again, because, you know, in my case, my light could have been bad. So I might have to do it more time. So let me go through the steps again, huh? Then once I go through the steps, we're going to cut this camera back on and see what it look like. You tell me. Jump in the comments. Did it work? You tell me, hey, if it didn't work, it look a hell of a lot better. Look at that. The yellow tint on, look at that. Then you over here. Shit, honestly, I think it should work. But new headlights coming. But I got something I can review. See if it works. If I can save money, why not? You hear me? Huh? A little elbow grease. Well, Rain-X headlight restore, it works, in my opinion. JT's is out.